the water. You could take a glass of water, then you could rinse your mouth. Next is walk. You could walk by a short distance or you could take a cycle. Then if you are using all that, it doesn't cause any wastage of fuel or air pollution. Next is take short shower. No, next is take turn on the lights. But when you are in the living room and the lights are on in the room, in your bedroom, so you have to go off the lights, then you could come to the living room. That way we could save electricity. Next is take short shower. If you take a long shower, that causes more amount of wastage of water. So you could use a bucket and a mug to rinse your body. The second type is reuse. If you have an elder brother or an elder sister, you could reuse their clothes. Like I am having an elder brother and he is giving his clothes to me. So I am reusing his clothes again and again, and that was a sweet gesture of sibling love. Next is books. My mother's friend owns a bookshop, and I go to my mother's friend's bookshop and I give my books to my mother's friend. Then I'm taking new books. Like my friends could reuse my books again and again, and I'm reusing their books again and again. So next is bags. Do not use plastic bags. Plastic bags are very harmful for Mother Earth. You could use cloth bags, so you could reuse it again and again. Next is rainwater harvesting. The rainwater gets collected from the top, goes down the filtration tank. It gets filtered from the 5 layers, which is cotton balls, pebbles and rocks. Third is sand. The fourth one is sand. Then the fifth one is the activated charcoal. Then from the filtration tank, it goes to the well, and we could reuse the water again and again. For gardening, for cleaning your car and cleaning your house and utensils. So I'm going to show you my working model now. I pour the water, then it goes down the filtration tank. It goes down the filtration tank. Then it goes to the well. Then I could reuse the water again and again. I could reuse the water again and again. I could use it for again and again. And I could use it for pouring it for my garden. As you could all see, there is water coming out from the filtration tank, from the terrace. Then it's going to the filtration tank and it's getting filtered. The water is getting filtered and it's going to the well directly. Then I could reuse the water.
You have to wait for some time.
Ma'am, it's getting stuck.
No, Ritvik, you can carry on.
Then I could use the water again and again. Then I could use it for gardening purpose, and I could use it for cleaning the car.
It's okay, continue.
You could clean the car, and you could also clean your house, and you could use it for utensils. The last side is recycling. First is CD. I have an old CD and I could recycle it for something. I could sort out my trash and make it into something new, which is creative. I have made a glittering fish using glitter and fins, and paper fins. So the next one is a water bottle. I could recycle this water bottle and I could make a nice flower vase. So it adds beauty to my house and I could put it on my front door. Then next is floor. Next is a cardboard box. I have a cardboard piece pot. So I am thinking, and I have recycled the cardboard piece, and I have made a nice family pot. It's made out of full cardboard, and I have made some buttons and put Merry Christmas. The next one is clothes. Clothes. My grandmother has recycled my old clothes, and she has made a nice, lovely fanny pack, which I could wear it all around, and I could store my stuff. Next is newspaper. Next is newspaper. I have used newspaper and my old flowers and some pencil shadings, ice cream sticks, some paper and tin foil, and I used two paper balls to make my tree. And I drew some flowers also.
Show it.
Next on our list is, it's very interesting. My mother has recycled a glass bottle and I have made it into a nice flower pot. Isn't it beautiful? Before I end my thing, I am going to talk about the pledge check. The pledge check means like me and my friends are giving a topic to say Mother Earth. So, and there's some hands written on names. So, all those names are presented by my friends and they have taken a pledge. Vishnu has taken pledge to plant more trees. Hari has taken pledge to reduce wastage of water. Manvik has taken pledge to walk to school because he doesn't want to waste any fuel or air pollution. So he'll keep fit and healthy. Sasha has taken pledge to do not waste water. And she will make sure to not waste water, and she will say her family, do not waste water. Harit and Lakshita have taken pledge to share toys and clothes. Me and Rita have taken pledge to turn on the water while we are brushing our teeth. Sanam and Sujay have taken pledge to turn off the light when me and my friends are in the living room and the light is on in our room, so we have to go off the light and we come and sit. That means it doesn't cause wastage of electricity. And we are following the top. If you guys want to come join hands with us, and I could write your names down, and if you want, you could also put a pledge to say Mother Earth. You could hold hands with us and say Mother Earth. And we are following the topic 3R. Reduce, reuse and recycle. Thank you. Have a nice day. And that's all.
Wonderful, wonderful, RITVIK. Nice it is. That's all. Still you can talk. I love to hear. I love to hear a lot.
Ma'am, that's all. I know.
That's all. Okay, fine.
9 minutes, ma'am. 9 minutes.
Okay,
4
RITVIK.
seconds.
Oh, so nice. Okay. RITVIK,
Yes, ma'am.
you said 3 hours, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you following all the 3 hours? Really? Have you reduced the usage of water? Yeah.
Yes.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
I will come to your house and see once. Okay.
I'm brushing my teeth. I'm offing the tap and brushing.
Okay.
I'm also using a glass of water to rinse my mouth.
Mother is keeping. Are you following?
Yes, ma'am. I'm following.
So nice. Okay. What is the difference between reuse and recycle?
Reuse means you're using it again and again. Recycle means you're sorting out the trash and making into something creative.
So nice. Okay. And have you taken pledge from your friends really?
Yes, ma'am.
Say the name of your friends.
Vishnu, Hari, Manvik, Sasha, Harit and Lakshita, Riddha and me, Sanam and Sujay.
Oh, where are they?
They're all in my apartment, ma'am, but except from one friend. Sujay is not here.
Okay, so nice, RITVIK. Good idea that you are taking pledge from your friends. That is good. Okay. Ma'am, have you taken all these things from Satya?
I need that CD. He did some CD fish. And
Ritvik
that
sees.
paper craft, yes, paper craft and cloth bag. And I want to take a photo. Yes. Yeah, dear. Wait.
Show,
Wait,
show,
show me. Yes.
show properly.
No,
Yeah.
listen, Ritvik. Keep the CD in one hand and normal CD in one hand, and how it has been turned, that one you keep in another
Okay.
hand. Like that. Keep the C. Okay, fine.
Yes, taken one. Then wait, one more thing, that your paper craft using the paper pencil.
Ma'am, you need my photo frame?
So, definitely,
that's also
definitely.
you want.
Yeah.
Yes.
Cardboard.
Correct. Cardboard, yes. Wait. Yes, ma'am. Take it.
See, Ritvik, when you are keeping one thing in the one hand, you follow the same hand for keeping the normal thing, and how you have made in the next hand in the right hand. Yeah, okay, fine.
Yes, very good. Yes, done. Yes,
Oh,
dear.
you are keeping water in the bottle, and here no. Huh?
Craft. It's
The
happened.
flower wasp.
Yes.
That is the bottle, water bottle,
But
made out
turned flower wash.
flower
Yes.
wash,
Flower wasp, ma'am, not flower wash.
flower
Okay.
wash. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
listen, Ritvik.
And your t-shirt with bag.
Okay, ma'am.
T-shirt. Bag you can hang it and hold the t-shirt.
Yes. Yeah.
Really, it is made out of t-shirt,
Yes, ma'am.
Really? Huh?
Yes,
Grandma did it.
My grandmother recycled this.
So nice, Ja. We have to learn from your grandma.
Yeah.
Will grandma teach us?
One more. Ma'am, dear, the paper is the, no, you use the paper and pencil, sharpener, and you made some
Okay,
flower.
ma'am.
And that one.
You mean this one, ma'am?
Yeah,
that
correct. Little closer to the camera. That is fine.
Good. Super, ma'am. Taken. Thank you, dear.
Ma'am, the glass bottle?
Glass bottle? Yeah, correct. I didn't take that. Yes, wait, 1 minute. Yes, wait. Yes. Taken, dear. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
How did you collect all these things, Ritvik?
Ma'am, my